Hi guys, YouTube. Here with me back again, with me Charisma Tubagus here, and today we continue where we left off before. Previously, we learned about how to do the branching mechanism using problem statement and how to do the many branch out statements using else if, and etc. And previously, we also learned how to do the test condition based on range condition. And today we start a new topic. We start with the looping topic. Okay, let's start it. Get new Java package com.day03, and the name of the class here is looping. Okay, what is looping before? Looping is a mechanism for any programming language to repeat statements or block of codes. Okay, looping means repeat statements, repeat or loop. How to repeat statements using some kind of a mechanism. Okay, PSVM first, public static void main, as usual. And how to do looping? In Java, there are three kinds of loop. The first one is while loop, the basic while loop. How to do the while loop? Okay, for example, integer I equals to 0, and then while I less than 5, out I plus plus. I plus plus means increment the value of I by 1. Okay, it's also equal to the I plus equals to 1. It's equivalent. Okay, let's run the code. Let's see the text here. 0 1 2 3 2 5 2 4. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. That means it repeats 5 times in a row. Okay, the next statement is do while loop. Do while loop equals to 0 again. Reset the statement, and then do sort I plus plus. The last condition is the test statement. I equals less than 5 semicolon. Okay, this also result in the same kind of repeat statement. 0 to 4, 0 1 2 3 4, 5 times of looping. The third one, the last one, is the for loop. Here's the loop that I like mostly because I can determine how the looping ends. For I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, as of I. Okay, very simple. 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 times of repetition. Okay, for exercise, I will try to repeat statement from 1 to 10. Okay, from 1 to 10. For in j equals to 1, j less than equal to 10, j plus plus, sort j. Okay, let me comment the previous block of looping. Okay, let's see the results. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 to 10. Okay, alright guys, in the next video we will try to exercise a bit more in looping kind of mechanism. I will see you there next time. See you, bye bye.